Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm your coach Vaibhavi Kamath, and today I'm going to tell you how protein can help you lose weight. The Indian diet lacks protein, and protein is the most important macronutrient when it comes to losing weight. There are several benefits and you might want to consider changing your diet for good. A high protein diet boosts metabolism, reduces appetite, and changes several weight regulating hormones. Here are some important reasons why you should have enough protein in your diet. Number one, protein changes the level of weight regulating hormones. Your weight is actively regulated by your brain, particularly an area called as hypothalamus. In order for your brain to determine when and how much to eat, it processes multiple different types of information. Some of the most important signals to the brain is hormone that change in response to feeding. A higher protein intake actually increases the level of fullness, that means feeling of satiety. By replacing carbs and fats with protein, you reduce the hunger hormones and boost several satiety hormones. That means you feel full. This leads to a major reduction in hunger and is the main reason protein helps you in losing weight. It can make you eat fewer calories automatically. Number two, digesting protein burns more calories. After you eat, some calories are used for the purpose of digesting and metabolizing the food. This is termed as thermic effect of food. The energy required to digest each macronutrient can be expressed as a percentage of energy provided by the macronutrient. Now, the thermic effect of protein is 20 to 30%, whereas it's 5 to 10% for carbs and around 3% for fat. If we go with thermic effect of 30% for protein, this means that 100 calories of protein only end up as 70 usable calories. Number 3, protein makes you burn calories throughout the day. Due to high thermic effect and several other factors, a high protein intake tends to boost metabolism. It makes you burn calories throughout the day and even while you're sleeping. A high protein intake has been shown to boost metabolism and increase the amount of calories burned by around 80 to 100 calories per day. Making you burn more calories, high protein diets have metabolic advantage over the diets that are low in protein. Number 4, protein reduces appetite and makes you eat fewer calories. Protein tends to take longer to digest and keeps you fuller for longer and can reduce your hunger and appetite via different mechanisms. Now, this can lead to automatic reduction in the amount of food we consume. In other words, you end up eating fewer calories without having to count calories or consciously control your portion size. So diets high in protein not only have metabolic advantage, they also have appetite advantage, making it easier to cut calories compared to low protein diets. Number 5, protein helps prevent muscle loss and metabolic slowdown. Weight loss does not equal fat loss. When you lose weight, muscle mass tends to reduce as well. Losing muscle is a side effect of weight loss that most people don't want. Another side effect of losing weight is that your metabolic rate tends to decrease. Now, muscle is metabolically active, and the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn at rest and even while working out. Hence, it is important to preserve this muscle by eating plenty of protein. Strength training combined with a diet high in protein is the best recipe to lose weight while preserving muscle mass. Not only do they help keep your metabolism high, they also make sure that what is underneath the fat looks good. Now, coming to the most important question, how much protein do you need? It is best to consume 1 gram per kg body weight to maintain the muscle mass. So if you are 70 kgs, you need to have 70 grams of protein. But this changes with your level of activity. If you work out, you'd need more protein to maintain and build your muscle. somewhere around 1.2 to 1.4 grams per kg body weight. And the more intense your workout, the more protein you'd have to consume. Athletes consume somewhere around 1.7 to 1.8 grams per kg body weight. So this is all about protein. I hope you've understood how important it is. In the next video, I'm going to help you balance your macronutrients and make a diet for you that fits into your lifestyle seamlessly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again.